Why study in Germany? Free education or extremely low cost of education? Education in Germany is one of the oldest and best in the world. Merit is the only criteria for admission. German education guarantees practical knowledge in addition to socio-theoretical foundation. International students are allowed to work for 120 full working days or 240 half working days in a year. Students can work on or outside the campus. Student wage ranges from 8 to 12 euros an hour. Germany is home to many Fortune 500 companies. The German economy is Europe's strongest. Non-EU students are allowed to stay up to 1.5 years after the completion of study to search for a job. Indefinite right of residence to graduates after 5 years of working in Germany. If you want to know more information, please visit my YouTube channel Learn German Today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Learn German Today.